Step into the 2005 Chrysler Town & Country. This 7-passenger van provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, knee airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.